Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am your host Vishakha Thakur. It's Monday, the day we bring latest updates from the Main Street, a bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. We have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the action taking place in this space. But first, a quick look at the trend so far. So a new Crunchbase data shows that investors invested $24 billion in AI companies during the second quarter, doubling the amount invested in the space in the first quarter. AI investments represented 30% of total dollars invested in quarter, marking the first time since launch of ChatGPT in late 2022. Now, this is the biggest quarterly investment in AI in recent years, despite investors being concerned about real value AI can create for customers and consumers compared to its high valuations. And 5 out of $6 billion funding rounds during the quarter went to AI companies including CoreWeave, XAI, Scale AI, and Wave. Now, one such notable deal was Morgan Creek Digital planning to raise up to $500 million for a new fund targeting early-stage opportunities in AI, blockchain tech, and chips and data. And now let's turn to the first deal of the week. The acquisition of Israeli AI company RunAI by Nvidia is facing a significant delay due to administrative changes made by the American regulator. The deal is being examined only now, which will lead to a lengthy delay in its completion. It is estimated that deal will eventually be completed, but long after the originally scheduled date. Nvidia officially announced its intent to acquire the AI infra orchestration and management platform back in April, with the value estimated at around $700 million. This is Nvidia's biggest acquisition in Israel since purchasing Mellanox for $6.9 billion in March 2019. Since the acquisition, Nvidia's local R&D center in Israel has grown by about 100%, reaching 4,000 employees in the country. Now, shortly after the RunAI announcement, Nvidia also revealed it was purchasing Israeli AI company Desai in a deal estimated at around $300 million. And now let's move to the second deal of the week. Metaverse platform Infinite Reality, a company that builds and powers VR e-commerce and immersive digital media experiences, announced it has raised $350 million in a funding deal that elevated the company's valuation to $5.1 billion. Infinite Reality also announced the acquisition of LandVault, a tech company and studio that specializes in building digital twins and immersive environments for companies and governments. And now let's move to the third deal of the week. Skilled AI has raised $300 million in a Series A funding round to build an AI model for robotics. The company will use the new capital to expand its team and to continue scaling its model and training data sets in preparation for future commercial deployment of its technology, Skilled AI said in a Tuesday press release. And now let's move to the fourth deal of the week. Crypto VC firm Hypersphere has launched a $130 million fund, Atlas, to generate profits for investors in the crypto market. The fund will use Wall Street strategies with staff from Millennium and Bridgewater trading firms to maintain low volatility. The fund aims to provide 40% returns to clients through decentralized finance, market making, and arbitrage, and clients can opt into core investments in private treasury rounds. So we have reached the fifth and final deal of the show. Hebia, an AI startup, has raised $130 million in a funding round. The financing is set to be announced, and the funding round was led by Anderson Horowitz, with participation from Index Ventures, Google Ventures, and billionaire tech investor Peter Thiel. The New York-based company is now valued at roughly $700 million. So, well, that's all in this week's Deal Corner. We will meet again next week with exciting new deals of the Web3 world. Till then, keep watching 3.0 TV. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more such updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.